Shooting stock footage is hard work. You fly a drone, travel to locations, research what sells, edit your footage, upload it, keyword it. Still, then you have to deal with rejections. And after all that work, sometimes the first result is only a 10-cent sale on Shutterstock. That can feel discouraging. But there is hope. I've been exactly where you are, and I kept going because every now and then I made a small sale. Those small sales gave me enough motivation to continue, to learn, to improve, and understand the business behind stock footage. After multiple years, I have learned what works. I've learned what sells, and I've learned how to create more efficiently, how to research better subjects, and how to build a portfolio with real commercial value. And now I can travel the world doing what I love. And by the way, June 2026 became my best earning month ever. I made $7,136.13 with Getty Stock numbers still to be added. Subscribe to my channel to see the full earnings breakdown.